Applications of total internal reflection. The first application is brilliance of diamond. Brilliance of diamond means diamond की चमक is due to the total internal reflection. We know that when light is incident at any interface greater than critical angle, then the light will get totally internally reflected. Now for mu4, refractive index for diamond is 2.42. So accordingly, by using the formula 1 upon sin c is equal to mu, that's critical angle comes out to be 24.4 degree. Now the diamond is cut such that at every time when it falls, light falls on any of its interface, its angle will be greater than the critical angle. So in that case, the light fails to escape out from the diamond and the diamond sparks very fine and the brilliance of diamond is too much. Now second application is shining of air bubble in water. You must have seen this sometime. An air bubble shines inside water. Now we know that critical angle for water air interface is 48.75 degree. So when light propagates from water, falls on the surface of an air bubble. So in that case, light is entering from water to air, means denser to rarer. And if somehow the angle of incidence is greater than 48.75 degree, so in that case the angle exceeds the critical angle. So in that case the light is totally internally reflected back and that air bubble sparkles inside the water. Third application, which is very important, is mirage. You must have observed this mirage, that you find that in some summer days or hot summer days you find that आप किसी प्लेस पर हो और आपको दूर कहीं पानी दिखता है या you found some shadow of tree, लेकिन वहाँ पर ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. So that is known as mirage. Now let us understand how this happens. Now suppose in a hot summer day, this is a tree, okay, and this tree, we know that the density as well as the refractive index of air goes on decreasing with the temperature. ठीक है. So upper layer of air is gradually having decreasing temperatures. So density and refractive index of air goes on increasing slightly. जहाँ पर hot होगा, गर्म होगा, density will be lesser, and जहाँ पर थोड़ा कम temperature होगा, density will be more. So it means at higher heights the density is more and density goes on decreasing toward the lower layers of the air. So when light, this is the object. So when light enters, goes from one layer to another, it is actually entering from denser to rarer. Now this layer is rarer with respect to this, and this is rarer with respect to this, this is rarer with respect to this, and so on. So when it goes from one layer to another, it bent away from the normal, and again it bent away from the normal, and again it bent away from the normal. So at every instant of time, the angle of incident at particular interface goes on increasing. So a point will reach when the angle of incidence at this point will be greater than the critical angle, and that light get reflected back, and that person will see in this case the image, inverted image of this tree, and rather there is no tree, but he would be able to see that tree, and he would think that there should be water in which the shadow of this tree is observed. So this is known as mirage. Next important application is totally reflecting prisms. Totally reflecting glass prisms, we know that the refractive index for air glass is 42 degree. So when the light is made to fall over such kind of prisms, light is made to fall at an angle 45 degree, which is greater than the critical angle. So the light will be totally reflected to the surface and we will get an image. So these two designs are for the totally reflecting prisms, in which here the light is turned through 90 degree and here the light is turned through 180 degree. So these two glass prisms also use the phenomena of total internal reflection for the change of the image. Okay, so this is again one of the important application. Another application is optical fibers, which is again important application. Optical fibers are basically very thin fibers which are used to transport the signals. In this case, basic phenomena is total interreflection, as the light or signal is made to fall inside the optical fiber. The inner coating, it is having three layers basically. So inner coating is denser, and comparatively outer one is rarer, and third layer is the rarer most. So when light is made to enter it, it goes from denser to rarer, and it is such that the light is made to fall at an angle greater than the critical angle for this core cladding interface. So the light will be totally interreflected, and there will be no loss of the signal, and the signal will pass straight. If somehow suppose this interface is worn out, the next medium is rarer, this again absorb all the radiations and avoid the losses. So optical fiber is very huge invention in case of the transmission or communication purposes.